So this is lesson 1, 2. Again, it's topic 1, lesson 2. And you're going to need, again, your pencil and your notebooks. If you don't have it, go get it, the video and pause and come back. Again, if I'm going too fast, make sure you pause it to catch up. You can rewind, you can zoom, whatever you need to do. So we're going to do Roman numeral number 2. We're going to label it lesson 1, 2. Our goal for this lesson is that you use place values in order to be able to compare and order your numbers from least to greatest. So next to number 1, you're going to write a less than symbol, a greater than symbol, and an equal to symbol. I'm going to label these right now. So this is less than, this one is greater than, and you know this one, equal. How I like to remember this is that this one looks sort of like an L. I could write the word less than with it. This one I can't. Less than. That doesn't make a less than. So this one that looks sort of like an L is our less than symbol. And what that means is the number to the left of it will be smaller than the number to the right of it. Now let's say we're not sure about our numbers. How do we compare them so that we can order them? So what we're going to do in order to compare our numbers is we're going to stack them on top of each other. And this is just how we're going to order them as well. So if I had the numbers 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 843,214, and then I have 829,999, and I wasn't sure which one was bigger, my first step is to put them on top of each other. I'm going to put this one on top of the other one. I'm going to erase it from here. I'm going to write my first step. Step 1, or step A, put the numbers on top of each other. Once you've done that, step B is you're going to look from the left towards the right. You're going to compare, going from the left to the right. So we start here, we have an 8 and an 8, so that's the same. We look at our next number, we have a 4 and a 2. What number is bigger? The 4 is bigger, so I know that this number, 843,215 is going to be bigger than 829,999. So I would write 843,215 is bigger than or greater than 829,999. Remember, the little symbol likes to eat the bigger words. You probably have teachers who turn it into alligators and stuff like that. It likes to eat the bigger words, or bigger numbers. I don't know why I said words. Bigger numbers. So let's try one more time. This time we're going to use some decimals. If we had this one, here's our second example. I'm going to put 9 and 315 thousandths. And then I'm going to put 9 and 5 tenths. Sometimes children don't know which one's bigger. They think that this one might be bigger, but let's check. We put them on top of each other, and now we need to compare going left to right. So starting here on the left, we have a 9 and a 9, that's the same. But now we have a 3 and a 5. What number's bigger? The 5's bigger. So even though this one looks like it's smaller, is actually the bigger number. So 9 and 5 tenths is bigger than 9 and 315 thousandths. That's how we compare them. But now we need to order the numbers. So this is going to be step number 3. Order the numbers from least to greatest, smallest to biggest. And it's exactly the same steps as we had before. Step number 1 is to put them all on top of each other. So again, put on top of each other. So if I had 842, 800, 844, 899, 700, 909. First thing I need to do is I need to put them on top of each other. So I'm just going to write these underneath. And step number 2, compare going left to right. Now remember, we are going from least to greatest, so we're looking for our smallest number first. We have an 8, 8, 8, 7. So our 7 is our smallest number. That's our least one. So I'm going to write that one down first and get rid of it. Now again, going from left to right, 8, 8, 8, 4, 4, 9. Well, 4s are smaller than the 9, so I know that one of these is the next smallest number. The problem is I have 2 of them. So I have to look at the next number of just these 2. 8, 8, 4, 4, 2, 4. 2 is smaller, so I know 842 is the next smallest number. And then 844. The only number I have left is 899. And that's how you order them from least to greatest. Tomorrow I expect to have all these notes written in your notebook and I will be checking them. Okay, bye.